Namaskar, my name is Dyuti. I am a grade 5 student of Agile Shaala. For the 73rd Republic Day, I will be talking about the state of Odisha. Odisha is located in the eastern part of India. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. The chief language is Odia, formerly known as Oriya. The state anthem is Bande Utkala Janani and the emblem is the Konark horse as shown in these two pictures. The state animal is the sambar deer, and this is what a sambar looks like. Not the eating sambar, the sambar deer. And this picture on the right is a picture of a crocodile in the Bhitarkanika National Park. The Indian roller is the state bird and the state flower is the blue water lily. The Indian fig tree is the state tree. Odisha is the 9th largest state by area and the 11th largest state by population. And this is a picture of a man and a woman in traditional Odissi attire. It's the third most populous state in terms of tribal population. Speaking of which, here is a picture of the tribal people of Koraput. The chief minister is Naveen Patnaik. This is a picture of the districts of Odisha. The rivers that flow in Odisha are the Mahanadi, Brahmani and Baitarani. Its neighbors, as shown in this picture, are West Bengal to the northeast, Jharkhand to the north, Chhattisgarh to the west and northwest, Andhra Pradesh to the south, and the Bay of Bengal to the east, implying that it is a coastal state. And since 3 rivers flow through Odisha, the land is very fertile and lots of crops can be grown. The crops are rice, pulses, oilseeds, jute, roselle, sugarcane, coconut and turmeric. The cash crops are mainly tea, cotton and rubber. And also, the land of Odisha is so fertile that 1/10 of the rice production of the country is accounted for by Odisha. And also, Odisha has a very rich culture. It dates back to the Kalinga War, which was fought by the Mauryan Emperor Ashoka, and it continues until this date. So here are the dance forms of Odisha. Odissi, as shown in this picture, and Chau, which is a tribal martial dance, and it's shown in this picture. And also, here is a picture of a famous Odissi dancer, Sonal Mansingh. And also, Kerala is God's own country. Well, Odisha can rival that. There are lots of places of interest, especially historical ones, and here are Chilka Lake. It's India's largest wintering ground for migratory birds. And also, the Irrawaddy dolphin is found here. It's a unique species of dolphin. Dolphin lovers, pack your bags. And there's also Puri, where the world famous Lord Jagannath temple is there, and the Rath Yatra takes place every year. The sand sculptures are pretty famous too. This is a picture of the temple, and this is a picture of the main deities. And also, interesting feature, they don't have any hands. Oh, there's also Konark, where one of the only sun temples is there. It is in the shape of a giant chariot from what we can see of what is left of the temple. See, here's a wheel. Here's the sitting part in the chariot. There are 2 other wheels as shown in the pictures. And also, Odisha has a rich tradition of artwork. So it's no wonder that even till this date, there are many artisans who do the beautiful applique artwork, Pitli, as shown in the picture. And also, Odisha is home to the Hirakud Dam, which is the longest earthen dam in the entire world. And also, there are many monuments and places of interest. Here are the monuments. There is the Mukteshwar temple, the Parshurameshwar temple, the Rajarani temple, the Lord Lingaraj temple, which is in these 4 pictures. There is also the famous temple at Puri, the Lord Jagannath temple, the Konark Sun temple as shown in these 2 pictures, the Shanti Stupa at Dholi, and Hathi Gufa in Udaygiri Hill. And there are also many rock inscriptions of Ashoka over here. They are at Jogada, the Kunti temple, Yudhishthira temple, Bhima temple, and the Panchapandava temple. Now, there is also another famous place called Katak, and it's famous for its silver filigree ornamental works. Look at the 3 pictures. They look beautiful, don't they? And also, it's famous for its textiles, Sambalpuri and Ikat. Now, how is studying about a state complete without its cuisine? Food lovers, welcome to the video. The foods are Khasta Gaja, Rasbagi, Chhena Gaja, Rasgulla, which is not from West Bengal, it's from Odisha. Khiri, which is basically our kheer. Khichdi, Dalma, Chhena Poda, Rasbagi, Kanika, and Pakhala, which is a mix of leftover rice and water. It's an ordinary people's delicacy. Now, some famous persons whose home is Odisha. Naveen Patnaik, the CM, the Chief Minister. Deepak Mishra, the ex-Chief Justice of India. Jayadeva, the author of the Gita Govinda. Kelucharan Mohapatra, who is a famous Odissi artist. Subroto Bagchi, an entrepreneur. And Meera Nair, a filmmaker. I hope you all have learned some interesting facts about Odisha from this video. And thank you. Or as they say in Odissi, Dhanyabad.